Craving something seriously delicious? This isn't just any pancake, folks. This is Japanese street food, and it's incredibly savory, super satisfying, and honestly, you might just find your new food obsession. Picture this, that first bite, the slightly crisp exterior giving way to a cloud of fluffy batter packed with savory ingredients that explode with flavor. The best part? You can skip the plane ticket because we're bringing authentic Osaka-style Okonomiyaki straight to your kitchen. Ready to cook up something amazing? Let's get started. First, let's make the batter stock. Just bring some water to a boil. I'm using these instant dashi bags. If you want one, check it out in the cart below. Just pop one into the boiling water and let it simmer for a few minutes to create a rich, flavorful stock. While waiting for the stock to boil, let's whip up the okonomiyaki sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar, or brown sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. So, the name Okonomiyaki literally translates to grill as you like, and that's because you can truly customize it however you want. Believe it or not, this dish dates all the way back to the Edo period. Back then, people ate a simpler version called funoyaki, made with just flour and miso paste. But it wasn't until after World War II that okonomiyaki really took off. Since rice was scarce, these flour-based pancakes became a super popular, cheap, and filling meal. Now, when it comes to okonomiyaki today, there are 2 super famous regional styles you need to know about. Stir until the sugar dissolves and everything is well combined. Osaka style is all about mixing everything directly into the batter, creating a soft, savory pancake that's cooked until golden perfection. Meanwhile, Hiroshima style takes a layered approach, starting with a thin crepe, then piling on cabbage, toppings, and even yakisoba noodles, giving it a taller, layered texture with every bite. Set it aside for later. Once the stock is ready, take out the dashi bag, turn off the heat, and let the stock cool down a bit before using it for the batter. Okay, next up, half a head of green cabbage. Chop it up nice and fine. So tell me, which okonomiyaki team are you on? Osaka or Hiroshima? Drop your pick in the comments. Thinly slice 1 spring onion and add it to the bowl. Now let's get the batter going. Take 2 eggs and crack them into a large bowl. pour in the cooled dashi stock and gently whisk the eggs. Add 1 teaspoon salt and ½ teaspoon baking powder. Mix until smooth, making sure there are no lumps. Next, toss in the chopped cabbage and spring onions. Mix everything until well combined. Now time to cook. Heat up a flat griddle, pan, or any flat cooking surface. Add some cooking oil. Then pour the batter onto the pan and spread it evenly. Place sliced sirloin on top. When it's time to flip, carefully use a spatula and be gentle to keep its shape intact. Or if you want, you can try my method for flipping the pancake like this. Transfer it to a plate and brush the top with the okonomiyaki sauce. Then, drizzle Kewpie mayonnaise in a zigzag pattern for that classic Japanese street food look. For the final touch, sprinkle seaweed and katsuobushi on top. Now, these katsuobushi flakes aren't just for looks. They're packed with amazing umami flavor. They're actually shaved, smoked, and fermented Bonito fish, and they add this incredible savory depth. It's what makes Japanese food so flavorful. Last but not least, add chopped green onions for an extra pop of color and flavor. And that's it. Serve immediately while warm and enjoy your authentic Osaka-style Okonomiyaki. See? You don't have to fly all the way to Japan to enjoy authentic okonomiyaki, right? With just simple ingredients and the right technique, you can make it at home and still get incredible results. Savory, crispy, and packed with umami, every bite will taste just like authentic Osaka street food. Try out this recipe, get creative with your favorite toppings, and don't forget to share your results in the comments. If you love this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Japanese cooking inspiration. See you in the next video. Bye!